What's going on YouTube? As y'all know, October represents Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So this is when I usually do my ride-along videos, and I just choose women who've never been in a fast car, who've ever been in my car before, to just, get a ride along and do a reaction. So this is what this video is about, so let's get it.
Concept, he's on mix it.
That's a swag pack. That's a swag pack. That's a swag pack. That's a swag pack. Money making, never breaking. That's a swag pack. Hustle hard, stay patient. That's a swag pack. 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 Money making, never breaking. That's a swag pack. Hustle hard, stay patient. That's a swag pack. 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 Money making, never breaking. That's a swag pack. Hustle hard, stay patient. That's a swag pack.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that bell and rock with your boy.
Let's get it.
What's up, y'all? This is my sister Ashley. Mind y'all, I've had this car since 2016, and she has never been in it. What does that say? That's bad. It's very bad. But we're gonna take her on this breast cancer ride along, and show her a good time since she's never been in it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think she's ever been in a car this powerful and this fast before. The last time she rode with me was when I had my 2012 Charger, and that was only a V6. So
Yep. That was enough.
that was enough.
Yep.
I think we'd only hit 100 in that car, if that.
Yeah.
Well, good news is we're probably not going to hit 100 today because I'm not getting on the highway.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about that.
That's a plus.
Right now I'm driving in regular mode. I don't have jet mode activated yet. She don't even want to talk because she's so nervous. I don't know why.
Don't do speed, man.
There's cars out here. We can't go that fast. See, it's not that bad.
You're so full of crap.
I'm just saying. When you put it in jet mode, it gets a lot louder. And you can hear the whistle, like the jet engine whistling.
Yeah, I've seen the videos.
Oh, yeah. So you already know. Jet mode activated. Jet mode activated. Do y'all hear the whistle? Can y'all hear the whistle? I know the screen is probably shaking like hell right now. Checking for the coast. Being clear.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Jesus Christ.
I lied.
How fast did we get? How fast did we get? That was cool though. I had to close my eyes for like 0.5 seconds.
See, it's not that bad.
That was cool.
It's not that bad at all. A lot of people be scared, but it's, But yeah, we're doing this for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, y'all. We're just treating the ladies to a quick little ride, and because breast cancer is something serious.
Yes.
Pink ribbons.
Yep.
I should have put on a pink shirt.
You should.
The next person I do, I'm gonna put on a pink shirt. She got on pink, so that works.
Yep.
One of us got on pink. But I ain't gonna do nothing crazy like burnouts or swinging the car or nothing like that, because then she might really lose her shit.
Yes.
Just a little couple launches and stuff like that. Jet mode deactivated. really even get this car to even think about it because I already knew this shit was on. The Denali's actually worse than this.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
That damn thing pissing me off. Really, I was just about to swing a Yui right there, sir. That's a cop.
He's looking at you like, bruh.
He got in my way. I can't see with this damn truck right here. That's a dumb place to park. And then there's a bush on this side. I can't see on that side either.
There's a truck coming. You got it.
My lip is all chapped.
It's not healthy. You should dehydrate it.
Yeah, I know I need some water. Comes with the weather too, though.
Yeah, it does. But you know what? Realistically, depending on the weather, you need to drink more water too.
That's yeah.
Because if your lips are drying out, the rest of you is too.
There y'all have it. That was a quick little ride-along video with myself and my sister. Talked to her a little bit about breast cancer and got her reaction. That was the first time she ever been in my car since I've had it. So, you know, it was cool. It was a good experience. So, if y'all don't do so already, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and rock with ya boy.